Have you ever noticed how you automatically shrink a little when feeling insecure and stand tall when feeling good about yourself? That's the power of body language. And excitingly, it's a two-way street. Not only does confidence shape your posture and gestures, but how you hold yourself can directly influence how confident you feel. Let's unlock this mind-body connection. Fake it till you make it. The science. You may have heard this phrase before, but there is real science behind it. Researchers call it embodied cognition. Turns out striking a powerful pose, even if you don't feel fully confident yet, triggers the release of hormones that boost confidence for real in your life. The power pose. Think Wonder Woman, chest out, shoulders back, head high, and a wide stance. Hold this for a few minutes before that nerve-wracking meeting, and you'll actually feel bolder tackling it. Beyond posture, it's dynamic. Here is what to watch for to decode and improve your confidence signals. Space. Confident people claim their space. Avoid hunching, crossing your arms defensively, or making yourself small. Eye contact. Maintaining solid eye contact without being creepy can raise confidence and sincerity towards the other person. Gestures. Relaxed, expansive hand movements while speaking project self-assurance. Fidgeting and close gestures signal nervousness. Pace. Walking with purpose rather than shuffling is a simple yet powerful confidence cue. For example, think about how someone asking for a raise might embody their message. Strong posture, direct eye contact, a firm handshake, and a clear voice convey worthiness far more than slumped shoulders and mumbled words. Mirroring for influence and internal adjustment. Notice how you feel around people with confident body language. Chances are some of that confidence rubs off on you as well. You can use a technique called mirroring, subtly adopting elements of their posture or gestures, which has the added benefit of building rapport. Practice makes progress. Body scan. Check in with yourself a few times a day. How's your posture? Are you taking up space or seeming withdrawn? Simple adjustments do make a difference. Power pose practice. Make it a habit to strike your own power pose for 2 minutes each morning. You'll head out the door feeling more primed for the day. Record yourself. It can be cringy, but watching a video of yourself presenting or socializing is incredibly helpful for spotting areas for improvement.